Hi my friends, I hope you are well and we can go on with your book page 24 and reading part. Look at this picture, think about the questions and compare your answers with a partner. We can think together now. Now, what does the picture show? What is it about? Can you guess? Yes, it's brain. You know, brain. Yes, this is your brain. Where in the picture is the brain? Brain here. We can say that here there is a brain. What does the brain do? What does brain do? Can you guess? Can you answer this question? Yes, I can hear you. We can solve our problems. We can solve our maths problem. We can do with our brain everything. Yes. Now we are going to read an article about how the brain works. Yes, we will read about brain article. Learning is brain change. Can you follow with your book this page? Everybody has a brain, but not many people know how the brain works. Some people believe that the brain is like the hard disk of a computer. We use it to store files, images, language, and the other data. Others compare the brain to a huge container or cupboard with lots of little drawers, shelves, and boxes in it. We put information into these boxes and hope to find it again later. The brain is not a computer disk, and it's not a container. Look at the picture here. It looks a bit like weeds in a garden, doesn't it? Look at here. Yeah. The picture actually shows a child's neocortex. Yes, look, you can look here. A part of the brain. Neocortex is a part of brain, our brain. You can guess what happens. More weeds grow as a child gets older. Scientists call these neuronal networks. The networks grow around our neurons or nerve cells. Yes. What makes them grow? Learning? Learning is brain change, says Professor James Lau from Case Western University in Cleveland, Ohio in USA. Without learning, nothing changes in the brain. For every new word we learn in your English lesson, every puzzle we solve in maths, every new song we learn to sing, a neuronal network grows in your brain and the brain changes. The more neuronal networks we grow, the better we can think and the better we remember. You may wonder if there is anything you can do to make the networks in your brain grow better. Professor Rizal says, yes, there is. He says that brain change is strongest when you are interested in and like what you are learning. You are in control of what you learn, and you get challenging tasks that make you think hard and concentrate. Understanding a challenging task makes you feel good and develops your brain. Match the words with the meaning. Write the numbers 1 or 5. Then read the text to check your answers, okay? For example, store. What does it mean, store? We can find from these A, B, C, D, or E. Container, a read, a nerve cell, and concentrate. They find the concentrate. What does it mean? To think very carefully about what you are doing. It means that to concentrate. Second, let's do it together. To keep things for use in the future. Which one? Can you guess? Yes, store. Very good. A wild plant that grows in a garden. Which one? A wild plant that grows in a garden. Which one? Yes, a weed. It carries information between the brain and the body. It carries information between the brain and the body. Which one? Can you guess? Yes, a nerve cell. An object used to carry or store things. Which one? The last one, of course, is a container. Yes, let's do this exercise. If you want, you can do before me. You can stop this video and then you can do it, and then you can control with my answer, okay? Read the text again. Mark the sentences true or false. The text compares the brain to weeds. Is it true or not? Yes, it's true. If you want, we can do it. Yes, you can do it like this. And you can write in your book. And we can do here. Yes. The text compares the brain to weeds. Is it true or not? Yes, it's true. The brain is a system of neuronal networks that can change. Yes, it's true. Whenever we learn anything, a change happens in our brain. Yes, of course. We can't really make our brain stronger. No, it's false. Because there are several things we can do to make our brain stronger. It says in this passage, in the paragraph, yes. 5. Being able to do difficult tasks is good for the brain. Yes, it's true, we can say. Yes, you can write in your notebook, please. And then you can send to me K12 to me. Choose the best description of this text. Which one is the true for this passage? What is the best description of this text? Which one is true? Can you find? Yes, you are right. A magazine article to give the reader information. Okay? Now, read and complete. Which paragraph is what about? For example, what people believe about the brain. Which paragraph is it about? Yes, paragraph first. How to make your brain stronger. Paragraph 3. And our brain is growing system. Paragraph 4. Okay? Yes, we can go to the next page. Now look at here. Look at the sentences from a magazine article. Underline A and the nouns these articles are with. Then go through the sentences again and circle the nouns with no article. Finally complete with rule A and the or no article. Look at here. Food is important for your body. But did you know that the food you eat is important for your brain too? Look at here, the food. Here is an example. An example. Sugar. Sugar tastes good, but the sugar from sweets can create problems. Your concentration and your memory get worse. What can we learn from the example here? It's better to eat an orange, or a banana than to eat chocolate, because that's good for your brain and for your body. Now we can complete these. For example, we use which one? Yes, a and an. A and a or an. A single countable Noun when the listener or reader doesn't know exactly which thing we are talking about. For example, you can have an apple or a banana. We have got a new car. For the, we can use the noun when it is clear which things or a person, people we are talking about. The apples in this pie are from our garden. Yes, we know it's clear. The bananas that I bought yesterday are horrible. Yes. The last one, no article. We don't use any article here. Plural countable noun or uncountable noun when we are talking about things in general. When we explain the general thing, general countable or uncountable noun, we don't use any article. Bananas are sweeter than the apples. Chocolate isn't good for you. Like this. So look at here. We can choose the correct one. She is, which one? Yes, she is a good student. She eats a lot of fruit and vegetables. Yes, the book that you gave me was really good. 3. I have an idea. Let's watch the new Beyonce video. I never drink. No article. Copy. I hate it. I like lots of sports, but the sport I like because it's a specialty most is tennis. Yes. Okay, you can write in your book, please. Yes, look at here again. Again, we can think. Which one? Of course. People need to drink. Of course. An orange juice. And, of course, excuse me, no article. Orange juice. And, second, again, no article. Apple juice are very popular, but they aren't always a good choice. Yes. Yes. Orange juice has got lots of sugar in it, so don't drink too much of it. The best drink for your brain is no article. A glass of water is the best drink you can get, but the water that you drink needs to be fresh and clean. Yes. You can write in your book. Okay. Now look at your vocabulary. We will read and choose which one is true for these sentences. The task was very difficult. I had to, which one? Yes, think for a long time. Come on, don't be silly. I don't. Yes, I don't believe in ghosts. Can you? Can you imagine how great it must be to live at the beach? 4. When the teacher asked this question in different way, I realized that I knew the answer. Yes, I understand. 5. Did they really say they are moving to New York? I don't. Of course, I don't believe it. I haven't seen her for 6 years. I don't think I. Yes, recognize. 7. I have no idea what the answer is. I will just have to guess. I was so tired that I found it hard to concentrate on the test. Have you ever wondered, yes, why I haven't found you for maths? If we want to get there faster, I suppose we should take a taxi. Yes. Yes, I think it's enough for this lesson. If you have a problem, if you want to ask any question, can you ask me with online lesson about this page, okay? See you the next lesson. Bye bye.